tape measure.
Okay, well there's the dead goldfish.
Do we have a ruler in the house, Thurls?
There's
Yeah, there's poor Cartman.
That's Cartman.
Put your hand in there, like show a hand.
Yeah, I know. That's how big he is.
Oh wait, let me get this up.
Oh, here.
We can see Mary.
Yeah, use a brick. That's a good. Oh, that's a nice usage.
There's a brick.
There.
There's Cartman.
Hold on,
Unfortunately, we had him for like 3 years.
7.
Yeah, 7 years, but the last 3 years he hasn't looked good. I don't know what the hell that was.
Can you put him up against it now? No, David. Push him up against the wall now and hold him up. No, that way you had him.
Oh.
Push him up and then bring him up a bit because your fingers are yucky.
Yeah,
so if you can maybe attach him to the wall.
Yeah,
with his...
I can't. He's just slides. There we go.
There, that's awesome, David. It's used the brick, right? Look at this.
Ew.
Look at Humor.
Oh.
I know, I've never seen anything quite like this. Thank you for the cookie, guys.
How
Thanks.
long he is. How long is he? That's the cheesy part.
Stiff as a board too, eh?
Yeah, I found him on the bottom. So he's like almost 10 inches, 9.5 inches long. Probably 4.5 inches wide. In that one spot, unreal.
Well, goodbye, Cartman. You did make it to TV.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, and I'm so sorry. Why? You figured you said something, Lisa? Like,